Hey everyone, welcome to the Pianalytix channel, your go-to place for Power BI and data analytics videos. Today, I am going to tell you how you can become a data analyst from scratch, that's too in just under 3 months. Whether you're a working professional looking to change your field or still a student, following this roadmap word by word will make you job ready in just under 3 months. So let's get right into it. First, what is the role of a data analyst? A data analyst collects, cleans, and interprets datasets in order to answer a question or solve a business problem. There are a total of 6 steps in the data analytics process. First, you identify a business question. Define what problem you want to solve. Then, get data. Collect the data required for your analysis. The third step is exploring data. Explore data with visual exploration and understand what is in the data set. After that, you need to prepare your data. This includes data cleaning, creating calculated fields, and data validation. Finally, analyze your data. Use data analysis techniques to understand, interpret, and derive conclusions based on the requirements. Lastly, share those insights with your stakeholders. Now, in order to become a data analyst in 3 months, you need to spend 1 week learning any spreadsheet software. The two most in demand are Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. Both of them are similar in nature. You can learn any one of them, but I would highly recommend that you learn Microsoft Excel because most companies use it and it is high in demand. However, one advantage of Google Sheets is that it can be used collaboratively among teams. So, start with basic formulas such as sum, average, mean, median, sum product, concatenate. Then move on to more advanced formulas such as VLOOKUP, index, match, if, countif, sumif. And after learning formulas, move on to features like remove duplicates and conditional formatting. You can also visualize in Excel using charts, filters, sort, slicers, pivot tables, and pivot charts. As a beginner, try to ignore VBA and macros and only focus on the stuff that data analysts use at work. Second, you need to spend another week building a strong foundation in math and statistics for data analysis because you need to know what to do with data before starting your analysis. Now, most of you must know basic math already. So, just brush up on topics like arithmetic mean, weighted average, cumulative sum, and percentiles, etc. Then move on to statistics such as mean, median, mode, standard deviation, normal distributions, etc. Now, once you develop a strong foundation in mathematics and learn spreadsheet softwares, you need to spend at least 3 to 4 weeks learning just SQL. SQL is structured query language. It is similar to spreadsheets because it also stores data in a tabular format. You can query data to access and manipulate databases. Since companies have large volumes of data, they rely primarily on SQL because spreadsheets are not meant to handle such large volumes of data. You need to start with basic queries such as select, where, distinct, like, between, order by, limit, group by, having clause, insert, update, alter, and import. Learn about different data types. Then move on to advanced queries such as the date time function, window function, subquery, case statement, CTE, and query optimization. Then, finally, you need to learn the join statements inner join, outer join, left join, and right join. Once you learn SQL properly, you need to spend 1 week to learn any one BI tool, either Power BI or Tableau. Power BI has a high demand in the industry and it is also easier to learn. These tools are used for visualizing data and creating reports and dashboards to present your visualizations to stakeholders. You can also check out Power BI content on the Pi Analytics channel. Start with basic learning such as creating charts, then move on to more advanced functions such as schemas. Now, the fifth and final technical skill that you need to become a data analyst and to ace all of your interviews is Python. Python is a programming language that is used extensively for statistical analysis. It can be used to access, manipulate, and visualize large volumes of data. Big companies usually use a combination of Python, SQL, and Power BI for their data analytics processes. Good news is you only need to learn a handful of topics in Python for data analyst roles. So, start with the basics like variables, data types, lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets, conditional expressions, modules, functions, operators, if statements, loops, classes, and objects. Then you mainly need to learn two Python libraries, pandas and matplotlib. Pandas is used to read or write CSV, Excel, and JSON files. It is also used for working with data frames, data manipulation, and analysis using group by, concatenate, and merge. Matplotlib, on the other hand, is used for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. By the end of these 10 weeks, you have learned all technical skills and now it is time to put them to use by creating end to end projects in data analytics. You need to find projects on websites such as DataCamp or our YouTube channel, which is Pianalytix. Some examples are employee attrition project, stock market prediction, and so many more. Make sure to pick a project that uses a combination of data analytics skills such as Python, SQL, and Power BI, as these add most value to your resume. Spend 1 to 2 weeks creating projects in data analytics and make sure to make at least 4 projects and add them to your resume. Now you are ready to start applying to jobs. As you do that, please do read up about different industries as you apply. Prepare for interviews. I will also add the link to the interview guide, free learning resources, and projects in the description box below. And that is it. That is all you need to become a data analyst in just under 3 months. All the best on your journey, and please like, share, and subscribe to the Pi Analytics channel for more such content.